Hi there. I wanted to talk to you about an opportunity today. This is with an Austin-grown service company who is currently seeking to fill two different positions. This company has over 40 years of proven success in Central Texas, and they are built on the principles of putting their customers' needs first and treating their employees with respect and professionalism that they deserve. This is a great opportunity for someone who's seeking that stability and benefits. The company provides excellent dental, medical, vision benefits. Even one of the positions comes with a technician vehicle. So it's a great opportunity. The additional position that the company is seeking is for the Vice President of Operations. This is a high-level position. You'd be in direct communication with the CEO of the company, so definitely high-level communication is a must. The ideal candidate will also have experience successfully managing people, whether that's commercial service technicians, commercial installation technicians, and just kind of the whole service operations in general. The position is critical to the development of the entire operational team and the support to, number one, the customers. You have many duties in this position: financial responsibility, customer escalations, ensure that the company goals are being met, development of your service team. You're going to provide support and training for this team. You'll develop some of the training, including the matrix, to make sure that you're on track and providing the tools that your team needs to be successful, and that those processes and procedures are being followed through with. You're going to identify and communicate where improvements need to be made in order to create more success and growth in the business as a whole. You are going to promote the company's image overall. As the VP of Operations, you'll be frontline to both customers and potential future business relationships. Minimum qualifications, we're looking for 10 years or more of experience, in management level, particularly to HVAC contracting businesses. You will have excellent management and supervisory skills. You will understand the principles of quality management and respect to effective team communication. Great conflict resolution skills. A high level personality that's driven for success, always aiming for a higher goal, and the ability to be focused and driven in achieving those goals. You definitely need strong organizational skills in order to do all of these things, prioritize your tasks, and meet deadlines. You need to be adaptable because the situations change from day to day, and there's multiple environments in this type of industry. A strong attention to detail, and again, I can't reiterate enough that interpersonal communication skill needs to be definitely one of your strongest suits. So if you have interest in this or the HVAC retro installer position that we have available, we would love to hear from you. Please submit your resumes via email to jana@btsjobs.com. That's JANA@btsjobs.com. Call us at 512-258-5336, or you can apply anytime online, and that's www.btsjobs.com. Have a great day. Thank you.